Today we have Alex doing our YouTube challenge, and the challenge is eating 50 Kip Nuggets, aka chicken nuggets, in 15 minutes. Wait, did we give you 60?
60.
60. You got this, Alex?
I got it.
Get ready, get set, go!
Nachos for them.
Huh?
Nachos for them. Move off now.
Two minutes.
Whoa. Wow.
He put too many in his mouth. David would have been dying if he was here. This is just prep work for chubby bummies. 1 minute. 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 To do the original one, he has 3 left.
Oh.
Including the...
Wait, do the 50 then. We're losing chubby buddies.
30 seconds. You have 30 seconds to chew that.
Chew that and swallow it.
20 seconds.
Oh.
Hey, Preston!
Oh.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You better go spit that on the toilet or you look like a puffer fish right now.
Good try. You almost had the 50. Good job.
I had my mouth.
Keep going,
Hey.
chubby bunny.
We're screwed when it comes to Chubby Monkey. How do you feel, Alex?
Oh, gross.
Did you want to have nuggets for dinner?
No.
Well, we have extra. Look, we still have some more for dinner.
It's for Preston. There you go, Preston. Yeah.
That does look like one of Preston's diapers.
And we were thinking 50 didn't look like that many, and he's like, throw 10 on there.
Oh. Maybe if they're U.S. chicken nuggets. Maybe.
Maybe he wants the preservative.
Yeah, that helps.
Okay, redo the challenge in the States with the McDonald's one. I'll watch it.
Okay.